Hi guys and welcome back to the Taste and Bloom kitchen. Today we are making assorted cupcakes using one base batter. Yes, so from one mixture we are going to make some vanilla cupcakes, chocolate cupcakes and red velvet cupcakes. Stay with me. In my bowl, I have some margarine. I'm going to go in with some granulated sugar and then add in my vegetable oil. I'm using sunflower oil, okay? And then I'll go in also with some vanilla essence. You can use any flavor of your choice. I'm going to whisk these ingredients together till they are combined. This process is going to help incorporate air into my final product, okay, making it very fluffy. I'm going in also with some eggs and I'm going to give this also a good whisk. All the ingredients and their measurements will be in the description box below. This recipe I'm making is going to turn out to make 18 to 20 cupcakes depending on the sizes, okay? Once my eggs are whisked in nicely, I'm going to go ahead and add in my dry ingredients. So with the help of a sieve, I'm going to go in with my all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, and some salt. Sifting the dry ingredients help prevent lumps in the batter and it helps to mix it up properly or easily if you like. If this is your first time on my channel, you're so welcome to join this amazing blooming family by subscribing. It is so free. Click on the red button down below and join this amazing family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch me. So though I'm using a hand mixer, you can totally do this by hand, but make sure that the ingredients are well combined and you're incorporating air into it because that's what is going to make the end product soft and fluffy. So I went in with some milk and lime juice. You can use lemon juice. You can also use vinegar. In the absence of lemon or lime juice or vinegar, you can also use buttermilk. So our butter is ready now. This is the base recipe, if you like, for all the three cupcakes we are going to make today. The three flavors, okay? So this is going to be our vanilla mixture or our vanilla cupcake mixture or batter. I'm going to go ahead and then transfer some of the butter into my muffin lined trays and then I'll go ahead and mix the other two flavors. So even with the vanilla, you can be creative and add in Oreos or chocolates and however you want it, okay. Even sprinkles. I'm going to set that aside and divide the remaining of the mixture or butter. So with one of them, I'm going to do the chocolate and with the other, we'll do the red velvet. So as you can see, I'm going in with some unsweetened cocoa powder. I'll give this a good mix. You can adjust the measurements for the cocoa powder so that you get the right taste that you want, okay? And then I'll go ahead and fill my muffin tray again with the chocolate and set that aside. With my red velvet, I go in with some unsweetened cocoa powder and red color or red food color. You can use the food gel if that's what you have. And then I'll give this a good mix and then fill my muffin tins again. At this point, my oven is preheating at 170 degrees Celsius. I'm going to go ahead and transfer my cupcakes in there and bake them between 25 to 30 minutes. When a toothpick comes out clean, they are ready. Look at these beauties. So from here, I decided to frost because we got some red velvet cupcakes over the weekend and they were bomb. Like when I say bomb, like we didn't like it at all. And my son requested that I do something like that at home for him. So I didn't want to disappoint. But the stress I went through, you just wait and see. So I made a simple buttercream, okay, just with margarine, some icing sugar, and a bit of evaporated milk. Unfortunately for me, first of all, while I was filming the video, baby girl woke up. So I had to stop and then attend to her, and she just wouldn't settle down. And then I was piping, and then my piping bag burst. my heart broke. Like the buttercream was all over my kitchen. At that point, I had to boycott the piping bag and then used the frosting knife to do some shakara on the cupcakes because my boy was not going to take any stories from me. But in all, the cupcakes turned out fluffy and delicious and looked good, and my boys enjoyed it. I hope you try this very simple recipe and enjoy it, particularly because this is the month of love. In Ghana, it's also called the Chocolate Day, Vows Day, I mean. So please make some for you and your loved ones and enjoy. And until I see you again in another video, please don't forget to keep blooming.